Question 2, calculate the following. So to do this calculation, we'll have to remember our bid mass. So BIDMAS. Just also remember that the division and multiplication goes together, as does the addition and subtraction. So brackets is what we do first. And we have a bracket here, so this calculation will have to be done first. 4 take away 1 times 2. Within the bracket there are two calculations, a subtraction and a multiplication. Subtraction comes after doing the multiplication. So we've got to do the multiplication first. To keep everything in order, we'll write everything down that we are doing nothing with. All we're doing at the minute is the brackets, and inside the brackets the first thing you do is the multiplication. 1 times 2, which gives 2. Then inside the brackets you're doing 4 take away 2, which is 2. So you end up with 2 squared. All brackets are done. Then we move on to indices. We've got one index here, and it's the 2 that's squared, and it's just 2 that's squared. So we write everything else down. Just leave it for a minute. Square the 2 to get 4. And now we've got rid of all our indices. We then, in our order, look at divisions and multiplications. There's a multiplication here and here. So we can do both of those in one go. So we write down the 2 plus, because we're not doing anything with it yet. 3 4s are 12. 5 6s are 30. And then we just do this as we see it. So 2 plus 12 is 14. Take away 30 is minus 16.